setting up for one of their routine fire drills, just like you may conduct the fire drill at work or at school. They conduct fire drills as a reasonable and prudent precaution on board the International Space Station. And we'll see most of the crew members in a variety of different modules. This is the Columbus Laboratory provided by the European Space Agency. In fact, there are 5 operating laboratories on the completed space station. They include the Japanese Kibo Laboratory, the U.S. Destiny Lab, and 2 Russian research modules. This, of course, is Katie Coleman with her zero-gravity hairdo. You know, station crew members receive some training in cutting hair before they go to the space station. Now, you're up there for 6 months at a time. They cut each other's hair. They have clippers and scissors. And of course, if you do cut hair on the station, you also have to have a little vacuum cleaner there to catch the hair so they don't float around and get in the equipment. You don't want anyone inhaling them either. Now, I've noticed that the men on the crew, they're keeping their hair pretty short, but I don't think Katie's let anybody near her hair. She arrived on the station in mid-December, and she returns home in mid-May. So I guess she's waiting till she gets back home to have her hair cut. Do you notice the crew members, it'll be a little easier when we get to the next section of the film, but they're not wearing shoes, they're just wearing socks. In fact, the only time they wear shoes on the space station is when they exercise. And they do exercise, each crew member, for 2 hours every day. You know, the body is a smart machine, and it says if there's no load on your main load-bearing bones, then you don't need to make as much calcium as you did when there was load on your bones. But it also says you don't need the calcium that's already there, and it leaches calcium